Hey everyone, check out the juicy Couture Women's Cosmetics Bag, a premium travel train case organizer in vibrant red. This officially licensed bag is crafted with durable fabric and accented zipper pulls, perfect for holding all your makeup and toiletries. It features multiple compartments to keep your skincare, brushes, and essentials neatly organized on any trip. The easy-to-clean lining means you don't have to worry about spills or leaks while on the go. Plus, it includes a TSA-approved reusable travel-sized bottle for added convenience. The portable grab handle makes it simple to carry for overnight trips, gym visits, or daily use. Sized at 9.5 by 5.25 by 6 inches, it combines style and function effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.